So I was listening to a podcast recently by Ed Milet, and he had Rob Dyrdek on as a guest. And Rob said something that was very profound, something that I keep going back to as I'm thinking about different things. And it was the advice of don't ever take advice from someone that you wouldn't trade places with in their life, whether that be their business, their personal life, or a combination of all of those things. And I go back to the idea is that in the social media world, as we're taking a look at people that are producing content, writing books, doing podcasts, whatever it might be, a lot of people will only give you the great things that are going on, and you never truly know what's going on behind the curtains. And most people who don't give the other aspect to what's actually going on are the people that you should probably not be listening to, because for whatever reason, they're not actually wanting you to know the truth about what is actually going on. And sometimes we put these people on pedestals and we say, I would absolutely love their life. I would love to trade places with them because they have it all figured out. The truth is, even those people don't have it figured out. The people that are raw, the people that are real, the people that are actually sharing their stories and being upfront and honest are the people that you want to be absorbing information from and listening to, because that's the reality. Nobody is perfect. There's no perfect scenario. There's no perfect life. There's no perfect business. But oftentimes we find ourselves attaching to the feel-good stories. We find ourselves taking information, more importantly, taking advice, whether it's in our life or in our business, from people that aren't actually real. And social media has, unfortunately, created a lot of this stuff. I would refer to them as imposters, posers, and those are the people that sometimes get a lot of traction and sometimes they make a lot of noise, and the content that they're saying, it's not that it's necessarily wrong, it's just not real. And so the next time that you're looking to take advice from someone, I would just encourage you and make sure that you would actually want what they have, both personally and professionally, within their life and their business. And it's somebody that you would trade places with and actually want to be where they're at. It will help you start to rethink all of the outside crazy noise, whether it's social media, whether it's somebody that's talking to you, of is it actually real and is it somebody that you want to be connected with? But more importantly, are they actually at a level in doing things that you would actually want? Most of the time, unfortunately, it's not. So I encourage you to really take that statement that Rob Dyrdek said on Ed Milet's podcast and take that to heart. If you're taking advice from someone, make sure that they are actually at a point in doing something in their life, in their business, that you would want to trade places with, both the good and the bad. And do your research. Make sure the people that you're listening to, make sure the people that are in your circle are, again, people that you would want to trade places with. You want to be doing life with them if you have the opportunity to do so. There's so many different places that you can find mentors, that you can find people that you can listen to, learn from, get educated from. But it's really important to make sure that you're taking both the good and the bad, and that you're truly understanding what these people are actually saying and what the reality is, not just the highlight reel that you see on social media. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and we'll see you next time.